Good morning, students. For today, the name of our chapter is Adventure Sports. All of you love sports, na? So, some name of the sports which is adventurous is given in this chapter. Let's start our chapter. And the first name is paragliding. Paragliding is created by David Barris in 1960s. But it is quite popular in the world in 1970s. In this present time, Valley de Bravo is famous for paragliding, which is from Mexico, and the two locations are most famous for this paragliding are Lato and E Penan. So both the locations are famous for this paragliding. Okay. The next name is bungee jumping. The first modern bungee jumps were made on 1st April 1979 from the height 250 foot, which is approx 76 meters, from Clifton Suspension Bridge in Bristol, England, by David Kirky and Simon Killing, which are member of the Oxford University from the Rangers Sports Club, and George Tabin, a professional climber who tied the ropes for the jump. Okay, so this is bungee jumping is started on 1st of April 1979. So this is all about for the bungee jumping. And the next one is river rafting. River rafting is a sport in which rafters use an inflatable raft to race with one team. Though in this river rafting, it is a team sport which are use an inflatable raft. The team that reaches the destination first wins the race. The rafters use double blades to paddle the boat. John Powell invented this river rafting. The inventor of this game is John Powell. The popularity of the sports grew throughout worldwide in World War II and began to spread to other rivers. Okay, so the popularity of this sport is in World War II. Okay, so this is all about for river rafting. And the next one is scuba diving. Scuba diving began in 1950s. After 10 years, French explorer Jacques Cousteau and engineer Emile Cagnan worked together to invent the aqualung. Because of this is underwater, so there is a requirement of that type of swimming suit, we can say, having oxygen cylinder and protect the entire body. So they invented the aqualung, the first successful rebreathing device and the diving regulators used for the first scuba equipment. Okay, so this scuba diving is began in 1950s. This is all about for scuba diving. And the next one is skydiving. How the skydiving starts? Actually, the military developed parachutes as a way to save air crew from emergencies. The inventor of this parachute is André Jacques Gardnerin. In 1952, it became an international sport. So because of the use of parachutes in military, whenever the war began and there is use of aircrafts to save the air crew's life, these parachutes are used, and after some time it's just used for the sports also, and which is known as skydiving. Okay, and the next one is hang gliding. On August 1961, American engineer Barry Palmer developed and flew the first foot-launched Ragolo wing hang glider. This took place near Latrobe, east of Sacramento, California. So it's used first time in California, and it is used by aluminum tubing, and there is no wire for construction. Okay. So on August 1961, this hang gliding started in California. Okay. The next one is surfing. Surfing was started in 12th century. The first surfing refers were found in Polynesia. The first surfing is in Polynesia. Cave paintings from the 12th century shows people riding on the waves. So in 12th century, there's lots of caves, and there is some paintings which shows people riding on the waves. In its popularity peaking during the 1950s to 1960s, mainly in Hawaii, Australia and California. And the last one is rock climbing. Walter Perry Hasty Smith is known as father of rock climbing. It was first called a sport in 1880s. In 1880s, this rock climbing is known as a sport, and climbers use connecting climbing rope with some nuts, bolts, etc. so that they climb on the mountains. Okay. So this is also a very dangerous as well as having lots of fun in this sport. So it's all about for the adventurous sports. These are quite dangerous, risky, but have lots of fun. Who are a brave one and wants to do this. Okay. So this is all for this chapter. Have a nice day to all of you.